Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. The news from the Israel that huge plumes of smoke seen rising over Tel Aviv skyline, and the several others news channels like BBC have reported it news. And the news that we are now seeing huge plumes of smoke rising over Tel Aviv in Israel. Around skyscraper in the city, the smoke is drifting, and the tall building around it, it's not clear if this is from missiles or other interception. We're working to bring you more. And the iron wells from Jerusalem have reported to be spotted 2 drones over our head. Then here is explanation. And we were just reporting to live our hotels in Jerusalem for BBC News when we spotted 2 drones flying overhead, and we hear an explosion. It's not clear this sound was strike and interception of one moment before siren and emergency alerts had gone off, signaling to people to stay near shelters. And IDF was cut short of Israel. Officials said they were expecting an Iranian attack. So that was the news that we are sharing, and that there's a confirmation from the Iranian government and the Supreme Leader of Ayatollah Khamenei that we have attacked on Israel, and we are in a good position to retaliate. And there was so many explosion on the Israel, the whole of actually Israel, the city like Jerusalem and Tel Aviv, and keep updating from the next updates. So thank you very much for watching.